Welcome to Florianopolis, where the city's heartbeat syncs with the rhythm of the waves. Dive into Brazil's magic island, where urban charm meets island serenity. From surfing paradises to gastronomic delights, Florianopolis is a cocktail of adventures waiting to be sipped. Did you know Florianopolis is split between the mainland and an island? And that island boasts 42 stunning beaches. Whether you're catching waves, exploring historical gems, or dancing the night away, Florianopolis is the place to be. Watch till the end for a breathtaking paragliding experience over the mesmerizing Lagoinha do Trust us, you won't want to miss this view from the top. Florianopolis isn't just a city, it's a feeling, an adventure, a story waiting to unfold. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey? Florianopolis is calling, and trust me, you'll want to answer. Florianopolis is a city divided. Half of it is on the mainland of Brazil, and the other half is on the island of Santa Catarina. And guess what? The island has a whopping 42 beaches. Talk about beach hopping options. Known as the surfing capital of Brazil, Florianopolis hosts international surf competitions. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just starting out, the waves here will beckon you. Florianopolis is the oyster capital of Brazil. Fresh, succulent, and oh so tasty. These oysters are a must-try for seafood lovers. Cultural blend. The city beautifully marries Portuguese heritage with modern Brazilian culture. The result, a vibrant blend of traditions, architecture, and festivities. Beach exploration. First on our list is, of course, the beaches, with 42 to choose from. Each beach has its unique charm, from the party vibes of Joaquina Beach, famous for its sandboarding, to the tranquility of Enchantment Beach with its ancient rock inscriptions. There's a beach for every mood. Pro tip, don't miss the sunset at Campeche Beach. It's a sight to behold. For the adrenaline junkies, Florianopolis offers paragliding over the mesmerizing Lagoinha do Feel the rush as you soar over the lagoon, taking in panoramic views. And if you're into water sports, the lagoon is perfect for windsurfing and kayaking. Step back in time as you explore the historic center of Florianopolis. The public market, with its vibrant stalls and live music, is the heart of the city's culture. Nearby, the colonial-era mansions and the Metropolitan Cathedral are a testament to the city's rich history. Nature trails. For nature enthusiasts, Florianopolis doesn't disappoint. The hiking trail to Lagoinha do Leste, a secluded beach, is a must. The path takes you through lush forests, offering stunning ocean views. And once you reach the beach, the turquoise waters will make the hike totally worth it. Nightlife and festivals. As the sun sets, Florianopolis comes alive with its buzzing nightlife. From beach clubs to samba squares, there's a party spot for everyone. And if you're visiting in February, get ready to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant carnival. As we wrap up our journey through Florianopolis, remember, this magic island is more than just a destination. It's an experience. From its sun-kissed beaches to its cultural heartbeat, Florianopolis promises memories that will last a lifetime. So, when are you packing your bags for this Brazilian paradise? Until next time, keep that wanderlust alive.